Hello, my name is Dave Young, Director and Founder of Armor Training and a co-founder of Viscelar, and I'm pretty excited to announce that we're going to be running a handgun protection and retention Level 1 and Level 2 with Tony Sherman from Vantage Tactical Solutions. In fact, we brought up the Level 1 and the Level 2 to cover standing for Level 1, how to manage distance, controlling position, what happens when someone goes to grab your weapon, whether you're in an open carry position for security or you're wearing plain clothes, how we can shield and guard your weapon. What are the things we can do to maintain that positive weapon control? Because when they cross that line and grab that weapon, when you're in security, not only is your life in danger, but everyone else around you. So we're going to cover how to retain your firearm, what are some tactics to disengage, and if you have to escalate, what are those tactics as well. And we wanted to make sure we can cover this within your emotional, physical, and mental capabilities of being able to process what you're able to do and what you need to do under times of stress. Our Level 2 will cover what happens when we're knocked on the ground. We're on our back, we're on our stomach. The subject is over the top of us. They're trying to pull that weapon and maintain and take away that positive weapon control from us and put our lives in great danger. And I always emphasize that whether you're in law enforcement or security, when they take that weapon from you, we have to worry about the greater danger that weapon possesses. And in the wrong hands, how not only can your life be at risk, but also the risk of everyone around you. So we're hoping you join us in our Level 1 and our Level 2 program. You can contact Tony either below or go visit him on the website and find out when you can sign up for these programs near you.